Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we are on week C, which is the week where we usually have the preview update, which is the new features and bug fixes for Windows 11. And indeed, today we have those that have arrived after restart. It's interesting because it opened Edge with this message: your Windows update is complete, and it says C5 of the latest features. So basically, if you don't check anything, you won't have this update until Patch Tuesday. But if you do go and check Windows Update, you'll see it appear as Preview Update KB5095093. On 24H2, you'll be on 26100.8737, and on 25H2, 26200.8737. And it does bring quite a few new features. There's a few things that are here. One of them, for example, if you go to your Windows updates, after this update is done, and of course, if you don't do it now at Patch Tuesday, you'll notice that the pause update now says pick a date. And when you click, there's a calendar that you have where you can pick what date that you want to have the updates pause until what date. And of course, as you get closer to that date, you'll be able to click and add more time if you want. So this is the new pick your own update time. Wait as long as you want. They had promised this feature and is now here. The other thing that's interesting is that in the recovery options, you now have point-in-time restore, and you could view or edit. And when you do so, it brings you the point-in-time restore page where you have it's automatically turned on. And right now, the restore point frequency is every 24 hours. Restore point retention, 72 hours. So they don't stay there definitely, and indefinitely. They erase themselves after a set time. Now, for some reason, it's grayed out, so I can't choose. So maybe it's because there's no points available yet. There's also the disk usage. How much of the disk do you allow for restore points to be there? And then you have current restore points that says no snapshots available. I'll make another video in a few days when I have snapshots available to see what it looks like. And so this is another feature that is now available on your PC. And there's quite a few other things that might appear. One is less problematic widgets, things like that shouldn't annoy you as much, and more customizable. You have a file explorer that has a few new features too. So that's pretty much it. And there's some bug fixes, of course, of problems that they have tweaked or fixed, including better reliability now on Bluetooth. If you try to connect to Bluetooth devices, it should be better, easier, and more solid. So this is pretty cool, as we have some of these new features now that have arrived for Windows and the preview updates today. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.